Hi again, prep children. It is time for our Sound of the Week box. All right, I am going to pull some things from my box and you have to guess what our Sound of the Week is this week. Let's go. All right, the first thing from my box this week is that's right, it is a jug. Jug. All right, the next thing from my Sound of the Week box is that's right, it is jam. Some yummy raspberry jam that we have on our toast. The next thing from my Sound of the Week box. That's right, it is a joke book. There are some funny jokes in here that I like to tell with Home Group 5. So a joke book. So joke book, jam, and a jug. What sound can you hear in all of those things? The next thing from my box. And I'm not good at this at all. Juggling balls. Juggle, juggle, juggle. What's that, Lola? All right, so juggling balls, jug, jam, and a joke book. All right, what is next from my Sound of the Week box? That's right, some of you might call it a skipping rope, but other people might call it a jump rope. So we have a jump rope, a joke book, juggling balls, jam, and a jug. What sounds can you hear? All right, we have one last thing. And I'm gonna see if she will let me show you because this is her favorite toy at the moment. Oh, look at those long legs. It is a jellyfish. And this is Lola's favorite toy. Isn't it, Miss Lola? So we have a jellyfish, a jump rope, juggling balls, jam, a joke book, and a jug. What sound can you hear at the beginning of all of those things? Did you say j? The sound j? Now we know that j can be made by two different letters. So this week, your letter is the letter J that makes the J sound, as in jam, as in jug, as in jellyfish, as in jokes, as in jump rope. Okay, thank you for watching my Sound of the Week box video today. I hope you enjoyed it. And have fun doing all of your Sound of the Week activities this week. Bye.